Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert video to GIF. So let's get started the video. To convert the video file into GIF, I'm using Adobe Express. To use Adobe Express, open your web browser and go to the Adobe Express website. Once you are here, click on Upload your video. Now drag and drop your file here. After it's uploaded, let's stream our video. And here, select the file size. We got three options. I'm gonna select large and high quality. And click on this arrow. Choose whether you want to landscape, portrait, or a square. I'm gonna go with landscape. Now click on download. It will start convert and exporting your file. It may take some time. So download is complete. As you see, it has been converted to GIF from video. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.